about this, we need to act.
I want to ask the Somalia question, and it has to do with it's something that's being done here today under the law of the sea. There was a filing by Somalia under the law of the sea to sort of preserve its rights. It was a joint filing with Kenya, and it was assisted in some way by Norway. And it says that Old Abdullah sort of put this whole thing together, Norway's assistance. And some people have said, what is the UN's role in sort of helping, obviously, a country in distress, but make a filing that will impact its rights to undersea drilling rights? And what safeguards are in place that Kenya and Norway don't in some way benefit from this arrangement set up by the UN?
Well, I think it's very straightforward that we have been talking with the Somalis on a whole range of issues. One of their great concerns has been fishing, illegal fishing. Often the outside world talks about piracy, which is true and real and a very big problem for the international community, and one that we're working on it. But the Somalis have themselves some very serious problems. They've got a huge coastline, as you know. And so I think it's perfectly normal with a lot of countries that we would talk on these issues. I don't know the exact details of this one, of the filing today, but I do know that there have been discussions on this as well as other issues.
Okay, but does the UN try to make sure that let's say if a country interested in oil, such as Norway, also very humanitarian, that their assistance, it just looks funny to have one country doing a filing for...
Well, I think that I've read your articles on that, Matt, but I don't really see the connection as that close. I don't think that's really been the issue here.
Watch the space.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.